What you're looking at here is almost right in front of my son's school. Right at the corner there. A two-car accident. I have one ambulance on scene. One fire truck. I see a tow truck just arrived. There's another tow truck here too, over here standing by. And two police cars blocking off each intersection. I'm actually sitting close to it. I'm right beside the school. I just thought I'd turn on my camera here and show it to you, let you see. Unfortunately, you can't get any closer, so we'll have to do. I don't know if you can see the one police car here. It's right by that white car in the parking lot. And he's blocked halfway up the road instead of right up here. There's not an intersection. I don't know why he's not up here, blocking it up here, so I don't know. School bus. Wonder if that confused the school bus driver. That's one of the main intersections over there. It's blocked off right now. Sorry if I'm not talking much in this video, I'm just kind of watching. I'm going to spin you around and talk to you guys. Hey, there I am. Hey, YouTube. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I guess it just happened not too long ago, like just before I headed to the school. Sorry, I'm from a little crooked here. There we go. A little better. Alright, well, I'm just going to move back to my parking spot. Don't mind me. I'm not ignoring you guys. I'm just backing up. We actually parked beside the church here, so. So, it's a rainy day here. It's really raining. Tonight they're calling for freezing rain overnight, and then into tomorrow for most of the day. Oh, there goes one of the ambulances. He doesn't have his lights on, so he must have been just on standby. Just so you know, I'm again, well, obviously you can guess I'm recording this on my dash cam. Yeah. So, and sorry I didn't do my my intro. So I'll do it now. Hey, YouTube, it's Eric here. It's been a kind of a weird week. Weird since I last posted a video, at least. Did a few car boosts. Not for Jackson's, it's just being neighborly. One was this elderly lady at a convenience store just around the corner. I was heading to drop my son off yesterday morning, and she was there and she couldn't get her van started, so I went out and tried to help her out. We tried boosting it. She said she couldn't understand because she just replaced and put a brand new battery in it the day before, and then we couldn't get it going no matter. We boosted it, whatever. So then she tells me that her radio quit working, her power windows quit working. So I said, ma'am, I'm sorry. I said, that's as far as I could go for helping you. Now it's sounding like you're into some kind of electrical problem there, and yeah, you're gonna have to take it to your mechanic. She says, that's okay, I've got CAA, I'll just get it towed over to my mechanic. And she thanked me for coming over and trying to help. She said, you know, at least 10 people had come in and out of that parking lot, and not even one of them offered to help her. I'm like, that's pretty sad. So then I brought my son to school. After I tried to help her out, I brought my son to school, and then waited for him to get into school. Hold on. Okay. Waited for him to go into school. I come out and...
Go ahead.
Sorry, hold on again. One of the parents' vans wouldn't start.
Command terminated. Print to station 1, please.
So I had to boost it.
That's Roger. Command terminated. Print to station 1.
I had to, sorry, that was a fire radio. Yeah, I had to boost one of the parents' vans because their van wouldn't start. But at least that one we got going. And they kind of knew what the problem was. Just some, like a terminals kept coming loose, so he was going to go home and fix it all up. So, yeah, that's what I did. So, like I said, I'm just waiting for my boy now. Figured I came upon the accident, and I knew it was right by the school, and I knew I'd be able to see it from the school, where I park at the school. So that's why I did the video for you. But anyway, till I make another video, I don't know how many I'm going to do right now, because because of the rainy weather. So, whatever. Until then, if you like my videos, please comment on them. That'd be great. Subscribe would be awesome. And like them. Until next time, hope everybody's well. Ciao for now.